Yeah, dude, I wonder what they're gonna do for Ball for Bucks this year.
Yeah, I really hope they do something cool this year. Something that can totally top what they did last year.
When the T-Rex is out in the jungle, he is always aware not to step on any foliage. The T-Rex is a very smart predator, making sure not to talk when prey are nearby. Respecting the order of the jungle, the T-Rex is very aware when talking to teachers, and the T-Rex is also aware of photographers. The T-Rex follows the latest fashion trends, so make sure to show up in style wearing teal or orange. The dino also knows when to tactically retreat. If the gym is loud, you will be accommodated in rooms 116. Remember, no one but official barbers can shave heads. And remember, phones must be put away, not causing any disturbance. And also the confetti cannons do not signify the end of the assembly. The bell does.
Yeah, dude, today's week has just been crazy with I don't know, tests and stuff. Math has been absolutely catastrophic. Oh.
Yo, you want us to go ball?
Oh yeah, we got you.
We got you, man.
This has been Ricky Cregg
And Kaleb,
reporting for KRM.